So this is part 2 of how to use the Cookworks Espresso coffee machine. And in the previous video we looked at how to actually make the espresso part of the coffee. In this part we're going to look at how to use the milk frother to create a nice frothy milk topping. So a lot of people have commented on the fact that with this espresso machine they cannot fit a normal sized coffee mug into this serving area because it's just not big enough. So there was a really easy way of fixing that, and all you need to do is just remove the drip tray from the bottom part, and then you can just place your coffee cup on the tray there, and it fits perfectly. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you've filled up your water compartment to the top. So make sure that's fully filled to the max line, and then place that back in. Okay. Once that's in, and then you want to power on the coffee maker with the power button, and when we press that button we get the red light there to show that the coffee maker is switched on, and at this point the pressure gauge will start increasing, and we want to wait until the pressure gauge gets to the little cup icon, and then this green light will show, and once that green light shows then we can move on to the next step. So in the meantime you want to just get your cup and then just add a little bit of milk into there, just like so. So you probably only want a little dash of milk because the volume is going to increase as it froths up. So you've got a little bit of milk. Then once you've got your green light here, you're going to take the cap off your steam nozzle, and you want to dip the steam nozzle into the milk, and then you want to use the steam button here. So you press the steam button, and then we're waiting for the orange light to come on, which indicates that the steam is ready. So once that light comes on, we'll then be able to start frothing the milk. So it should take up to about 30 seconds once the machine is heated up, and then the steam should start heating. Alright, so we've got the orange light there, so now we can place your steam nozzle into the milk and then turn the steam dial here. So we want to turn it anti-clockwise slowly. So turn that anti-clockwise slowly, and you should hear that kind of coffee maker sound in a minute that everyone is familiar with, that coffee shop sound. You want to move it around, slowly turn it anti-clockwise until you get your frothy milk. It's preferably not getting it everywhere like I've just done. And then you want to go all the way around and then return that back to 0. And then as you can see, we've got some nice hot froth there. We've got our frothy milk. We just need to make our espresso part. So we just want to fill up your coffee filter, and place your coffee filter into the holder, and then place your mug underneath here, and then you want to just press the coffee button here to start brewing the espresso. And then once that's brewed, then maybe we'll just add it into this cup so you can see a bit better. So once we've got the espresso, we've got the milk froth, we just want to mix the two together and just add the froth, and you can see that's all nice and frothy at the top. And then you can maybe add a bit of cocoa there at the top just to make it a bit more more appetising. And then there we have it, we've got the little latte coffee. So now for the taste test. Not quite strong enough for my liking, but there's an easy way to fix that, and it is to put more ground coffee into the coffee filter before actually brewing the espresso. And then once you've got extra coffee in there, then the coffee will be stronger, and then you will have a stronger coffee flavour and a weaker milky flavour, which is my personal preference. But yeah, that depends entirely on how you like your coffee. So let me know in the comments the way that you like to do yours.
Alright, so I'm gonna try this one because I'm forced to. I like my coffee with sugar, and this is a bit too bitter for me, so not my thing. Sorry. 2, 1.
It's delicious! It's so good! You must try this! 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let me try this one. Oh, delicious. It so tastes like heaven. On.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Can I have a bit of sugar, please?